Hello, I am showing here how you can create a horizontal navigation header menu of a website. This is the simplest menu, no hover effect, no background, etc. In the previous tutorial I have explained all the things, and the previous tutorial you can visit here in my website in this URL. This is the URL here. Okay. So this is the URL, you can visit this website. Anyway, now I am back. Here I have placed the most basic horizontal navigation menu. Just check it, how it appears. And this appears as vertical list. These are bullets. Okay, and some indentation. It is a basic unordered list with some list items. And this will be the URLs here, http www.google.com or anything relative /index.php, like that. Anyway, I am putting here hash, there is no problem. So this looks like this, and now my objective is to make it horizontal navigation. Okay, so I have taken everything here and now adding some styles right now. Check what happens. In the head section, add some styles. What I have done, for every element, there will be style here, /style. This is Dreamweaver I am using. This is the code view, this is the output view, and live view also available here. Live view, this is live view, click here, which I have just written. Margin 0, padding 0, so it appears here. Okay, and H2, this is not required because H2 is the heading I have mentioned, so you can skip it. This is not required. And nav is this nav. This nav is the top unordered list of ID nav and any UL, I mean any sublist under it will not be displayed until now. Okay, so I am adding more styles now. I have everything here, just copy and pasting, copy and pasting. Now clicking here, just check how it looks. Okay, it not looks properly. I am going to the browser and refreshing it. So just check it. This is first menu, this is the second menu in the top level, third menu, fourth menu. Okay, 0 is the first. This is the whole menu text in this line. This is two lined because the text is long. I have written the text here. This is the whole line, so this wrapped up because of the width. Okay, just check it, the style sheet. This is the style I have added, and if I don't add this style, then it looks like this, and if you add this, this looks like this. Okay, so what happens here, I am just design view, just check it. Okay, so any li item which is under nav ul block, that will be float left. Float left means what? Float left means first menu will be here, then next menu will be beside that, third menu will be beside that, fourth menu will be beside that. This is the main main criteria of floating, that is they will be floated side by side. But normally li block is block level element, it is appears top down, because if you delete this, you just check it how it shows. It is top because first element will be here, second element will be here, third element will be here, fourth element will be here. I mean top to down. But if you add this style, because it for the float left, they appear side by side. And position relative, what is position relative? Any item which appears under list items, that is if you add a ul block, which will do soon, they will be appear under this block, and position will be relative. That block will be relatively positioned. Anyway, now I am adding. Now check, I have placed a ul block, that is also sub menu actually, under this list item. So this should appear here under this list item. Okay, this is the Dreamweaver, so you can check it like this. This is the border, and this list item has relative positioning. That means any sub item, that is UL block here, will be relatively positioned from this point, top and left property. I highly suggest you to take this website's relative positioning guide in tutorial .webdesignershouse.com. you will get some guide in the relative positioning if you go to the home page, and in the menu there is positioning explained. Anyway, so this is the point, and if you save it and go to the browser, okay, and I'm here just refreshing this page, refreshing or F5 button, then you check no submenu is shown. Why? Because this is not shown, because display is none. Any unordered list under this nav unordered list means under this unordered list, this list is descendant of this list under this, so that will not be shown. This is the main criteria. If you make display none commented and save it, then you see that it appears, it shows. And if you make it uncommented, then it will not be shown. Okay, so now what shall I do? Okay, so submenu will not be shown now. Anyway, now I am adding some styles right now. Okay, up to this I have mentioned, because all the elements was floated, you must mention a width in here. That means width of a list item, that is li block width, this width, whole width. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am just making the first level submenu visible. How it is visible? I am adding this style. Okay, just check it. Okay, I am saving it and going to the browser, refreshing it and check it, it appears. This is the submenu 1.2.1, 1.2.2. Why 1.2.1? That is this is 1.2.1. What I have done, any li item that is under nav, when that is a hover means when you mouse over here, then it appears. That is the hover. Then the unordered list under it will be displayed. Display block means it will be displayed in the block level, like that li element or ul block is a block level element. That is display block. The whole block is displayed, and any unordered list under that ul will not be displayed. That is display none. So you cannot see any submenu under this. You cannot see, but you see the submenu under this list item. This appears. Okay, this is the main logic. So li hover means what? This effect when you mouse over, this is li hover, and any unordered list under it. That means this ul, which is this ul block, which will be relatively positioned about this. It will be positioned about these list items. Okay, from the top left corner, which is shown sometimes ago. That will be positioned like that. When you mouse over here, then this will appear. That is display block. And if there is any submenu under this, like that, I shall make a submenu here. Okay, I shall make a submenu under this item. That will not be shown. This is done by this line. Okay. Now I have added another submenu under this list item. So what? Under this 1.2.1 sublevel 2. Okay, so here under this there will be a submenu. I have written this, but this is not visible right now. Sorry. So I have added the submenu. And my objective is, sorry, I have got some cold, and my objective is I have to make it visible. So what shall I do? This is a submenu under this submenu. This UL block is a submenu, and this UL block is another submenu under this submenu under this item. Okay, so now I have to add some more style here. I have added this block, and level 2 submenu will be here. Okay, so I am adding level 2 submenu. This is level 1 submenu, this is level 2 submenu. Okay. What the submenus will be showed display block, position will be absolute. Absolute with respect to what? With respect to the LI item, the parent LI item, that is say this item or under that LI item. And top will be 0, left will be 12 VM. What is 12 VM? This is the width of the LI item. So top will be 0 and left will be LI. So on any menu under this menu will be shown here, that is left will be 12, that is width of this menu, and top will be 0 because they will appear from here. So top is 0, left is, the whole block will appear here. This is the main criteria. So any when I am making a hover on this submenu, that is this is the first top level menu, means this menu, okay, this menu, sorry, this LI is this LI in the right pane, and any submenu under that is UL, that is the submenu under this LI, that is this submenu. And LI hover, that is when I am mouse hovering, this is whole a submenu, and the first LI is when I am mouse hovering, this is LI hover, that is mentioned here. And any submenu under that means any submenu under this menu will appear here, that is mentioned here display block. You will display block, and any submenu beyond this will not be shown. Okay, so I am going to here notepad again, and I am just, sorry, this line, only this line, this is for level 2. I have mentioned some comments. So Control V, saving whole thing, go to the browser, refresh it and check, this appears. This, there is no submenu here, so nothing is shown. There is no submenu here, so nothing is shown. Okay, so right now I am putting the whole menu in the Dreamweaver right now. So just check here, I have made the whole menu here with all level of submenus, etc, etc. Just made the whole submenu. Now file save, but the style sheet is not complete. Menu is completed, but style sheet is not completed. Just check it how it looks. It is incomplete. Still check it. There is no submenu. There is submenu here, but that is not shown. Under 1.2.1 SL2 there is a submenu here, that is not shown, but here is 4 menus in it and 4 level submenus. Here use second level submenu, this is first level submenu, this is second level submenu. There will be 2 more submenus here, that is not shown. Okay, so we have to make it visible. Right now I am not going to explain the things again and again, just copy and pasting the whole thing, and this is the same thing I have told you, and just check it how it looks. Saving it. Okay, just check it. Up to 3 level menus will be under this, 3 menus in it, so check 3 level menus. First level, second level, sorry, second level, that is third level. 4 menus, this. Okay, so whole thing is done, and don't forget to check my website here, all explained under this URL. Okay, thank you.